guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Ashley, and if you're already a part of the Creole family, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are recently subscribed to my channel, a big thank you to you. I really appreciate you. So today I am back with another video. So last week I had to take a break because my face was breaking out really bad, you guys, because it's still not all the way there yet, but it's way better. I actually used a primer and it breaks me out like crazy. The only reason I'm not going to mention the primer that I used, because usually if you use something for you, it doesn't mean that it's not gonna work for the other person if it doesn't work for you. So I do not like to bash people's product. Maybe it's not for me, maybe it's for someone else. So usually I don't, if I break out, I'll just stop using whatever that I'm using. I will not, you know, talk bad about anybody's product, anybody's makeup, because it's hard out there, you know what I mean? So if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't mean it will not work for me or somebody else. You know, if you don't like it, you just stop using it. You don't have to, you know, talk bad about it. That's just my opinion, okay? So today I am, okay, not today. So actually I'm going to have like a mini series on my channel, because usually I'll do my makeup very fast, and especially if you're a new beginner, so you don't really see what's going on. So today I'm going to show you guys how to apply foundation the right way, okay? The right way. And then I'm going to have highlight and contour. Then I'm going to have eyeshadows, how to apply eyeshadows and all of that. But today we're going to do the highlight and contour. No, the foundation. So today we're going to do the foundation. First thing first, you need a clean face, because a lot of times we think, okay, just because I'm wearing, you know, makeup, I don't have to have a healthy skin, I don't have to have a clear skin. No, you need to have a clear skin, you need to have a healthy skin. Because think about it, if you have a bunch of pimples on your face, like when you apply your foundation, they're just gonna pick underneath your foundation. So it just makes sense if you have like a healthy face and a clean face, okay? So you need a kind of like a skincare routine, and you don't need to buy expensive product to have like a nice skincare routine. Like myself, I use drugstore product. So yeah, if you want, you can just go to the drugstore or Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens. You know, you'll find a lot of good quality to do your skincare. That's what you need, because you need a clean face. Second, when you're applying your foundation, you need a moisturizer. I have been using Nivea Soft forever, since 2015 or 2014. I love this moisturizer because it keeps your skin super hydrated, so your makeup don't feel kinky, or you know, it's just a super good product. Just in case if you guys want to check them out, I actually bought mine at CVS, and I think Walgreens, Walmart, you guys can find it there as well. So you need a moisturizer always, okay? So next, you're going to need a primer. Right now, my current favorite primer is this e.l.f. primer, this one here, and my other favorite is Smashbox, but the Smashbox is on the expensive side, okay? But I really love the Smash one. So this is my second favorite primer that I usually use, because sometimes my face is oily. You know, some places of my face, like my T-zone, like around my nose, my forehead, and my chin, they tend to get super oily. So this is a very good primer, and if you don't mind spending the money, so that's fine. But this one is also, I've been using this primer a lot, this e.l.f. primer. You need the primer to protect your pores, because you don't want nothing to go under your skin. You don't want that. So you need the primer just to protect your pores, okay? So, and of course, you're going to need a foundation, and the foundation that I'm using today is the NC47 from MAC. And you can buy other foundation like the drugstore. My favorite foundation that I use all the time, you guys, is this foundation here, the Infinable foundation, the 24 hours long wear. This foundation is gold. I love this foundation. Today we're going to use the MAC foundation. So first thing first, we're going to use our moisturizer, and mine is almost finished. I actually have to get some more. Just going to put a little bit on our palm. We're just going to rub it together. Always. Okay, next we're going to use our e.l.f. primer, and this primer is actually $6. I can't be wrong, let me look. It says $9. I don't know, I could swear I paid $6 for it. I don't know, because usually when I'm buying makeup, I usually buy a lot of stuff all together, so yeah, maybe that's why. So the primer is $9, so it's a really good primer, to tell you the truth. And this will protect your pores from having product to get under your skin. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of glow going on. That's why I love the e.l.f. primer, because it has kind of like a sheen, a glow to it. So yeah, so moving on to foundation. You use a sponge or a brush to apply your foundation, but I love to use a brush better, because I feel like the sponge, it just eats all your product. So I love using my brush instead of a sponge. Okay, but you can use whatever you feel comfortable with. So that's no problem. Oh, it's not coming out. Okay. And when you apply foundation, always start small and then you build your foundation up, because if you just fill your face with foundation, it will be hard for you to blend it, to kind of like make it seem like it's not a lot. You might have to wipe the whole thing off. So I would like to start small and then you can build. If you see a spot that you need more, you can always add more, instead of when you have a lot and then you can't get rid of it. You know what I mean? So I always start small. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna need a little bit more over here. So we're just going to add just a little bit. I forgot to buy a pump for my foundation.
I forgot to mention that, you guys, I do not set my foundation. I only set my under eyes because the rest of my face is super dry. So that is why I don't set my foundation.
And I do have a skincare routine. I have a morning one and a nighttime one. Even though I don't do it every day, you guys, I try at least to do it not once a week. I try to do it at least twice or 3 times a week, because sometimes I'll be so tired. When I'm in the shower, I'll just wash my face and that's it. But I always try to find, you know, sometimes to do a little bit of skincare, okay? Because you need to take care of your skin, and of course, drink your water and mind your business. Drink your water and mind your business, child. You'll have a flawless skin, no acne, no stress. Stay away from drama. No stress, no nothing. You'll be surprised what that can do for you. a life with no drama, with no stress. Let me tell you, the best life ever. And that is it, you guys. Like I said, this is like a light coverage. I don't have too much product on my face, and like I said, you can, if you want more coverage, you can always build it up, but that's what I wanted. So yeah, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back.
And this is my foundation routine. This look will be available on my channel next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like if you have not done that already, and I'll see you all on my next video.